Hi everyone. In the last session, we have seen how to pass data from controller to view. Now, what are we going to learn today? How to pass data from view to the controller. Okay, last time what have we said? Okay, how to pass data from controller to view. Okay, now what are we going to learn today? How to pass data from view to controller. Okay, so I have written an example for you. Okay, I'm just opening my Visual Studio. Okay, I'm running this, just observe it. Okay, then I will discuss the code line by line so that you should understand 100%. Okay, there is a text box. In the text box, user will input some data. Okay, and he clicks on calculate factorial. Okay, now when he click this, the factorial of the number is being displayed over here. Okay, I hope that is clear to you what is happening right now. Now I'll go back to the code and will explain you everything one by one. Okay, now this is my index. Okay, this is our controller. Okay, this is our controller. Fine, you can see here. Now I am using here the verb as http get, and here I am using the verb as http post. Fine. So even if you do not write any verb, by default it takes as the get. Okay, but if you require post, you have to mention http post. Now this is our index. Fine. There is some color I am using line number 2. Then I am having a form which is starting from line number 4 and ending on line number 25. And form is basically used for accepting data from the user, okay, at the runtime. So I have this table. I have border 1, some BG color, height and width. Then this is one of the TR. Your TR stands for table row. I am saying enter any number. Okay, then I have a text box, a simple text box over here. Okay, input type text, name factorial. Okay, so this text box is having name as factorial. Then I am having a button. Okay, I am having a button as submit, and the message is calculate factorial. And line number 23, I am having view back dot result. But you have seen it when the page comes very first time. Okay, nothing is being displayed because the process has not still been completed. Now what will happen here? Okay, we say something known as, okay, let me write here, request response cycle. Okay, request response cycle. So it means the user comes on the browser. Okay, he typed the URL, and okay, this page is being to the user. Now, what is the meaning of all this thing? I will explain you one by one. Line number 4, form ASP action index. So what is the meaning of it? It means whenever user clicks on the submit button, it will route to a ASP view, okay, and the name should be index and the method should be post. Alright, so where is this? If I go to my controller, okay, this is HTTP post, okay, and this is index. So when, see, if I go to your program.cs, you can see here home and index. So by default, okay, by default it will display this get method, okay, where you are able to see the user interface, okay, which is being displayed to the user and allows you to write some number over there. And when he clicks on the submit button, okay, the route comes to this particular index. Now this string fact number, okay, again I'll go to my this, you can see here fact number. This is the name of the text box that we have mentioned over there. Now any data which comes through text box is string type, but in this example we are trying to do some calculation. All right, so line number 17, we are trying to convert this, okay, into integer and storing into a variable simple number. Now we are trying to find out the factorial. Now when we are trying to find the factorial, so the logic, okay, we have declared a variable as 1 for the factorial. Okay, this loop will iterate factorial of the respective number will be calculated and stored into this variable. Now again, we want to send the response to the user. Okay, what we want to send? Okay, just see here, factorial of the number, whatever number the user has set, okay, and the respective factorial which has been calculated, okay, to display as well. So what are we doing? We are trying to concatenate, okay, this storing into the view bag. And we know that view bag is basically used for sending the data from controller to view. Okay, again I'll run it. Now just observe it minutely. Okay, what is happening? So initially, because of get, okay, this page has come. But right now there is no process. Okay, response is not there. So user will come, he input some number whose factorial is trying to find out. And then he clicks on the factorial. Now when he clicks on this factorial, the data transfer from view to the controller. In the controller, we are doing the calculation, and again it is coming back to the user. The factorial of 4 is 24, whatever number you input. I hope that is very, very much clear to you. Okay, thank you for watching it.